Hey guys, welcome back. Yes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today is another super delicious yummy Igbo. You all know that I'm from Igbo tribe, Igbo soup recipe. So today we are going to be making Oha soup. I haven't had Oha soup in a while, so yes, let's get on with it. Anyway, I have my meat in the pot and I have one big chunky onions in the pot as well. In the pot I have beef with the bone, and I have shaki in the pot. So I'm gonna add Maggi and salt, and then we can start cooking this meat. So I'm going to add 2 Maggi. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of salt and another scoop of salt. So I am going to cover this pot and just allow the meat to cook. When the meat cook halfway, I am going to open it and take out my chunky onions. So guys, I am going to take out the onions from this meat because I do not need onions. I just need the aroma of the onions. So guys, I am done taking out the onions. I am going to add my dry fish. So my dry fish is cleaned. I'm going to add some water. I'm going to cover and keep cooking the meat. So guys, for my thickener, I'm using oat flour. You can use any thickener of your choice, achi, ede, yam, cocoa, like you can use any thickener that you prefer. I'm using oat flour. So I just added cold water and I'm just gonna mix it together very well. Now after mixing it, I'm going to set it aside. So guys, now I am going to add my thickener. I am also going to add palm oil. Now I'm going to add my crayfish and my dry chili. Now I'm going to let that cook for 20 minutes. So guys, after allowing our palm oil to cook properly, I have tasted for Maggi and salt. There is no Maggi and there is no salt. So I'm going to add Maggi and salt. Now that's my salt. I'm going to add 1 Maggi. And I'm going to add my ogilibo, because without ogilibo, when you're making Igbo soup, it will not turn out the same. I'm gonna try and melt the ogilibo. I'm gonna cover and give it 10 minutes. So guys, after allowing that to cook for 10 minutes, I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm going to add my uziza leaf, and I'm also going to add my oha leaf. Now I'm going to cover and I'll allow this to simmer for a few seconds, and this soup is ready. So guys, I am going to take our soup out from the stove. It is ready, oh my days, and it is tasting super delicious. Like the aroma in this kitchen right now reminds me of the one we get in our village kitchen. It is that yummy. Anyway guys, let me take this off from the stove. Oh wow. So guys, it is ready. Yes. And guys, I'll meet you all at the table, because this is one soup that I can't wait to dive in and demolish like kings and queens. Meet you all over there. So guys, we are back. Yes, this food is ready and it is smelling absolutely delicious. We are going to be having it with our oat fufu. So welcome on board. I can't wait. Let me pray so we can dive in. Amen, guys. It is time. Let's do what we know how to do best, okay? Welcome on board. If you're new here, my name is Justina. If you love cooking and eating Nigerian African food, baby, you're definitely in the right place. Subscribe and stay tuned. Anyway, guys, let's dive in. Today, I don't feel like combining my fufu and soup together. I just want to have them separately. So let's get it. Ooh. Oh wow. It is super delicious. Ooh. Oh. Yum. So guys, oh my days, my belly is full. Oh, this sauce, this oha soup is delicious. My belly is full, but I can't stop. Oh, take me back. Take me back to my mommy's house or my grandma's house. Like, both of these women are the best Igbo soup cooker in all the Igbo village in Nigeria. Oh my days. This soup is the bomb. I totally enjoyed myself. It was super tasty. It was yummy. It was everything delicious goodness. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Your girl left some meat and dry fish. There was loads of meat and dry fish in this soup, so I've had enough. Whew. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up on your way out, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. We totally demolish our fufu. We have no fufu left. That is how tasty and yummy this soup was. Anyway, guys, thank you. Bye.